chop a baby mother, brother.
What you say? Tell me say a joke, yeah, bro.
Boy, I wish I did joke, you know, brother. Yeah, about a week now, this time I shot me head it is. That's why I'm telling her to go on easy, dog. You see me? I'm going to process this in my brain right now.
So, Butcher, what you feel? You feel like a style she come here work under? Eh? If you get information or something.
Yo, you know, I never had a Pree that way. Yeah, I'll eat from the bean, brother. Chick with a poison, my brother.
Butcher, you're a farmer, youth. You're full of busy, man. But here, one G, you have to pray thing, my dog. You understand? You can't make she there, so. And they on a loose ball thing. You understand? You know, if I shoot there, send him to shoot boy out in a brother.
Boy, it is. Boy, it's a big loss this if you make she go on still, you know. Because all that we see I go on the farm right now, you know, bro. All that we share teach me right now. And because of she, you get what I say? It's a feelings for her, brother. It's strong, brother. She had to show me the investment then in a color load thing. It's her next move for me right now. You see me?
Judge, see Pree, man. So what kind of color low business you are investing in, bro?
I know say I look a place down the road there. You cut up color low and bag it up and put on later. Decide to do it too. It's a fair idea. You get what I say? So that's the big move for we right now, but boy, I don't know what. I don't know what to think right now with this.
Judge, well, she looks serious about the farming still in a butcher. I nah lie, she put in the work, bro. You see me? So you see youth?
Boy, it's a carbon copy of him father. Believe me, brother, and favor chopper you. You see me?
Boy, same thing what you did tell me I tell you, brother. You feel the vibes for her, just work with her, bro. Cause I remember same thing you did show me with ranking and carrying. You see me?
Now go and pray that. But differently, what I'm going with the anchor?
Butcher. Yeah, I'm thinking that butcher. I'm married man, me soon turn now. I gonna look all a ring and look a nice dress for Ashley and make sure say thing well up. Remember, you know, you get an invitation soon. So just look out for it.
Yeah, the man. Well, I say it, Baker. All that we have to make an upgrade one time in our life, brother. So if you think so, yo, that's the right move, boy, I fully support you. You see me? So what go on over on the block?
Boy, butcher, I tell you the truth, you know, bro. I don't really hear nothing what go on over there from the other day, you know. But you know them man, they are loose cannon, you know, bro. You understand me I deal with?
So you know, here if I'm still a plan to move to ranking, brother.
Well, brother, I ain't a month now, you know. So all I have to do is put my ears on the ground and see if me hear nothing. You get what I say?
Yo, it is. Me believe if you loud that still. You see me, you know, our life at the moment. Just like them say I get married though. So, you know, I am making loose move right now, brother.
Brother, I get what you're saying, you know. And remember say you was still my brother-in-law. So right now, I have to rate my favorite necessity team and everything, you know?
You're mad. Me not feel like I ever say nothing, brother. Remember say, yo, if the youth they hear though, none news or nothing, you know, brother. And you more come off like this.
Boy, butcher, you know we're not too business about that, you know, brother. You see me? The man wants to spread him bed hard. He have to go lay down in that hard. Plus you know I'm not left it. I wonder if you get to me, I say. Still there with the man.
It is. Really, brother? Yo, man, cut out a bumper, call it out here. Make you get carry something. Because right now, I'm all the iron that you need, brother. Put up the iron there. You see me?
Hold on, butcher. Remember, you know, nobody sell out the whole of them, you know, because reception will come soon. So I need one here. Alright.